Welcome back to Auto Cars. Today we take a closer look at the 2025 Corolla, a car that carries forward a legacy of reliability while embracing a bold new era of design and performance. This model stands out for its striking exterior lines, advanced aerodynamic shaping, and a sense of confidence that speaks to both heritage and modernity. The first thing you notice about the 2025 Corolla is its front fascia. The redesigned grille now adopts a wider, more assertive profile that stretches into sleek LED headlamps. The sharp contours and integrated lighting give the car a futuristic yet sporty appeal. The hood features bold creases that flow seamlessly into the windshield, creating a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. Moving along the sides, the 2025 Corolla emphasizes a fluid silhouette that blends elegance with aggression. Sculpted character lines run across the doors and rear fenders, accentuating the car's muscular stance. Chrome accents and new alloy wheel designs add refinement, while the slightly lowered roofline contributes to better aerodynamics and an unmistakably sporty look. At the rear, the Corolla makes an even stronger statement. Wraparound LED taillights create a signature lighting pattern that is instantly recognizable on the road. The integrated spoiler and reshaped bumper highlight the vehicle's dynamic presence, while dual exhaust tips hint at the performance potential that lies under the hood. Overall, the exterior of the 2025 Corolla is not just about aesthetics, but about crafting a design that balances efficiency, sportiness, and modern appeal. Performance is another area where the 2025 Corolla makes its mark. The aerodynamically optimized body reduces drag and improves stability at high speeds. Engineers have carefully tuned the suspension to match the sleek exterior form, ensuring the car delivers both agility in urban driving and stability on highways. The lightweight yet rigid body construction enhances handling, while offering better fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. The history of the Corolla brand plays a big role in this model's identity. Tracing back decades, the Corolla family has been known worldwide for reliability and practicality. Over time, it evolved from a simple commuter car into a global bestseller. The 2025 version pays homage to that legacy by keeping the foundation of dependability while adding bold design and modern technology. It represents the natural progression of a car that has consistently adapted to the demands of new generations. Among the standout features of the 2025 Corolla exterior are the adaptive LED headlights with smart beam technology, a panoramic sunroof that complements the streamlined roofline, and redesigned aerodynamic mirrors that reduce wind noise. The car also offers multiple wheel options, ranging from sporty 17-inch alloys to premium 19-inch variants, each designed to match the character of the trim level. The paint options have expanded as well, with metallic and dual-tone finishes that enhance the sculpted bodywork. In conclusion, the 2025 Corolla is more than just an update. It is a bold statement that shows how tradition and innovation can coexist. Its exterior design captures attention, its performance reflects modern engineering, and its history provides a backbone of trust. This car stands as a symbol of evolution and excellence, and it is ready to leave a mark on roads across the globe.